And she's not just a base jumper, she has a lot of tricks. She jumps off of a lot of things, she dives under the ocean and everything professionally, she says. I just recently tried bungee jumping and I just couldn't do it just once. I can't imagine how she does this all the time. Here I present Archana Sadhana.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Archana Sadhana. I am supposed to be the fearless person in water, on air and in air. On water, air and land. But in front of audience, I am very fearful. So let me start off with my presentation. Staying on the edge is living, rest all is waiting. That's what I think. And this came only after I got married to a naval officer. I am a mountaineer, skydiver, base jumper, and now a deep sea diver. My background. I'm born in Jammu and brought up in Srinagar. I'm the youngest child in my family, and then I'm married to a naval officer. Now I have two boys who are studying in the boarding, and I started adventure only after my marriage. Before my marriage, I was scared of adventure. Once I went for my trekking, and then after that I felt, oh shit, what is it? I mean, it's just tiring yourself. And after that my life has been all adventure. Married to a commander, Rajiv Sardana, an Indian naval submariner. Okay. Initially my kids, they wanted to be a submariner, but after seeing me doing skydiving and stuff, now they want to be a skydiver. This is a photograph with my boys. This is Pranav and Ayush. I did my basic course from HMI Darjeeling. After that, I did my adventure course again from HMI Darjeeling, and thereafter went to Uttarkashi to do my advanced mountaineering course. Now I take kids and go with them as a guest instructor for treks and stuff. I'm not a regular gym person, but regular trips to the hills keep me fit. In between, after mountaineering, I tried parasailing, river rafting, bungee jumping. And thereafter, I started with skydiving. Skydiving, now I'm a sea license holder, in which I can do demo jumps, demonstration jumps. In skydiving, you have different levels, like you get A license, B license, C license, and D license, and according to your certification, you can do different things. Like you can do free fly or only after your A license, not before that. So I have skydived in India, USA, Dubai, Laos, and I'm the first woman who has skydived with the Indian flag in US. This is my first certification which I got in Paris Valley after doing the first AFF jump. And this is when I was preparing for the first skydive. So it was very scary. And this is how they teach you on ground. They give you all the trainings, how to take your position, how to jump, and everything they teach